Hi everyone, it's Liz from Crafty Woman Shop, and I want to welcome you to this video tutorial. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to make a crochet popcorn shamrock. These shamrocks can be applied to many different crochet projects. The first step for making a popcorn shamrock is to create a magic circle. You do need to know how to do this for the pattern. Then you're going to make what I call the first popcorn. In the written pattern, I have first popcorn and second popcorn, and each shamrock leaf contains these popcorns. So I'm going to chain 3. This chain 3 counts as the first double crochet of the first popcorn. Then I'm going to make 2 more double crochet. To make the popcorn stitch, you're going to drop the loop, pull it out a little bit so you don't lose it, insert the hook into the first double crochet made, which is the top of the chain 3, from front to back, pick up the loop, pull through. First popcorn has been made. It is a 3 double crochet popcorn. Chain 1. Now we're going to make the second popcorn. Make 3 double crochet stitches. Drop the loop, insert the hook into the first double crochet made from front to back, pick up the loop, pull through, second popcorn made, chain 1, and slip stitch into the magic circle. That's the first shamrock leaf, by the way. Now we're going to make a first popcorn again. Chain 3. This counts as the first double crochet. Make 2 more double crochet. Drop the loop, insert hook into the first double crochet made, which is the top of the chain 3, from front to back, pick up the loop, pull through, first popcorn made, chain 1, make the second popcorn, 3 double crochet into the magic circle, drop the loop, insert into the first double crochet made, pick up the loop, pull through, second popcorn made. That's the second leaf of the shamrock. Chain 1, slip stitch into the magic circle. We're going to repeat the first and second popcorn pattern one more time. Chain 3, first double crochet made, make 2 more double crochet, Drop the loop, insert the hook into the first double crochet made, which is the top of the chain 3 from front to back. Pick up the loop, pull through. First popcorn made, chain 1. Second popcorn, 3 double crochet into the magic circle. Drop the loop, insert the hook from front to back into the first double crochet made, pick up the loop, pull through, second popcorn made. That completes the third leaf of the shamrock. Chain 1, slip stitch into the magic circle. You can start pulling the magic circle together a little here. You can see you're starting to get a shamrock shape. Now we just need to make the stem. So we already slip stitched into the magic circle. For the stem, we're going to chain 5. Slip stitch into the second chain from the hook. And each of the remaining 3 chains. Slip stitch into the magic circle. You can cinch it the rest of the way. Just pull on the tail. Give it a good tug. And now you just need to finish off. So cinch the magic circle the rest of the way. To finish off, just go to the back of the shamrock. Pull through. Pull that tightly. Tighten the magic circle up if you have to. And you can even go ahead and tie these 2 tails together to help lock it in place. And then you can use the tails to sew onto your project. For example, a Celtic Weave baby beanie. Thank you for watching this free pattern tutorial. Be sure to visit the blog craftywomanshop.com. You can also find me on social media and stay updated with free patterns, tips, tricks, and more tutorials. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more, and go ahead and hit that like button.